It's like what's that?
What's that? What's that?
Water.
In your iPad. What's that? What's that?
Hey Google, turn the lights off.
True. That means you know for long.
Hey Google, turn the lights on.
There's the lights on.
Hey Google, turn the lights on.
Lights on.
Ooh, tell me what you know for
Ikaw nga. Kausapin mo siya. Talk to the iPod. Dali. Oh, hey Google. Dali. Who opened my Shopee?
Goodie.
Sino?
Goodie.
Si Colin. Paano inopen? Paano? Tapos? Tingin, ano yan? Paano isuot mo? Wear mo nga, wear. Can you wear? Oh, tapos?
Goodie.
Ako.
Wala si Goodie.
Oh, Ben, nininang ko. Picturean mo ako. Picturean mo ako. What happened?
Ano picture pa dyan?
What happened?
Goodie.
Na?
Broken.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Bakit na broken?
Bakit broken?
Bakit nasira?
Tukulin.
Bakit nasira?
Tukulin.
Sabi mo nga, nasira.
Nasila.
Nasira.
Nasila.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Are you copying me?
Happy si kitty kitty ko. Na 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 na. Wait lang.
Okay. O, dance. Kala ko ida-dance ka.
Inong. Ako.
Hey! Ang galing naman ni baby magbabos. Paano yung babos? Ang galing ni baby. Ang galing ni baby.
Ano sabi ni Ninong? Sabi ni Ninong, Ninong, you can call me Colleen.
Ang galing ni baby.
You can call mo Colleen at baby sa galing.
Oy, ang galing ni Colleen. Ang galing ni Colleen. Ang galing. Ang galing ni Colleen. Wow, ang galing naman ni Colleen, baby Colleen.
Galing naman ng baby.
Colleen. Ang galing naman ni baby.
Ang galing naman ni baby.
Baby. What? Bakit gusto mo Colleen lang? Anya Colleen lang? Bakit? Why? Ala na sira. Anya Colleen lang? Bakit? Ha? Baby ka pa ba?
Baby ka pa. Colleen, are you baby pa? Baby? Baby ka pa? Ano?
Baby ka pa? Ha?
Ay, baby.
Baby Colleen.
Hindi na
Baby
tinisip.
Colleen. Wow! Pang-baby toy! Pang-baby toy! Kapag nagpipi pa sa diaper at saka nag-milk pa, baby pa yon. You?
For you. No, we don't do Feet.
What?
I feel
Aray ko yung face!
So, dalawa umakyat. Isa bumaba kanina. Kaya kung nakita yung itsura nito, meron mga damdamin. Bangers!
How about sa face? How about sa hands? Sa hands.
Isang bumaba, si Daniel. Daniel, taga mo.
How about sa kilikili?
an answer.
What's your name? Don't eat that dirty hand.
Green.
What?
Green.
Full name, Anya?
Green.
Don't eat na medal. O go.
Oya. Green. Green.
Ilang taong ka na? How old are you?
Old in yes, computer.
How about... how old are you? How old? I'm... Ilan to?
There's old.
Wow. What is the name of your mother? Who's your mother? Ay, hindi kilala ang mother. Who is your mother?
Abby.
Full name, Abby.
Abby.
How about your father? Ay, magbibideo pa tayo. How about your father?
How about your mommy?
How about your father? What's your name of your
How
father?
about your dad?
My dad? Oscar.
Oscar.
How about your dad?
Oscar.
Your dad? How about your dad? What's the name of your dad?
What's that?
My dad? My name is dad is Richard. How about your dad? Daddy ko yun. Hey, Richard.
What's that?
Nose.
It's pointed.
Huh?
Pointed ng nose kay Colina.
Kay Colleen yung pointed, akin yung kay Ninong.
Pointed.
Tingnan mo, touch mo nga. Ano?
Loading pa.
Ano?
Loading.
The nose. What happened to the nose? What happened? Paano yung nose? Ano?
What happened na nose?
What happened to the nose? What happened? Oh, yan, what happened?
Red nose ng ninong.
Ha?
Red nose ng ninong.
Oh, anong nangyari?
Hurt.
Na-hurt. Oh, anong nangyari din sa nose? Oh.
si Colleen. What's that?
What's that?
What's that?
Sino yan? Si?
See?
Sino yan?
See?
Who's this?
See?
Si?
See?
Si?
See?
Sino?
See?
Sino yan?
Whoa. Whoa.
Is that Wowo? Is that Wowo? Is that Wowo? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ito. Look, ito. Watch ka, watch.
What?
Sa dalawang umakyat, isa bumaba kanina. Pero
Aba, Chapi.
Ano sabi ni Colleen? Ano sabi?
sa dalawang umakyat, isa bumaba kanina. Pero
Oh, mag-watch ka.
Abansahan.
How about yung kay Colleen? Pataas yung ano kay Colleen? Ay, hindi naman. Sit down ka.
Pointed lang.
Hindi na kaya? Hindi naman. Ipatingin, oh. Ay, hindi, oh.
Pointed.
Hindi. Yung kay Ninong. Tingnan mo yung kay Ninong. Tingnan mo yung kay Ninong.
Pointed.
Ang galing. Yung kay Colleen? Kay Colleen? Disappointed. Sabi mo.
Oh no,
Sabi mo.
what's that?
Yung kay Colleen, disappointed.
What's that?
It's a monster. Kikipagpagalingan na naman tong isa. Whistle while you swim.
That's why you cook.
Whistle while you walk.
Ne. Ne.
Talo ka. Ikaw.
That's why you cook.
Whistle while you run. Ikaw.
That's why you run. That's why you run.
Whistle while you fly.
That's why you fly.
Ay, bawal gaya-gaya. No more gaya.
That's why you fly.
No more gaya.
That's why you fly.
Iba sa'yo, no. No fly.
That's why you fly. What are you, Bella? Mama, right? Mama, right?
Ano siya? It's okay, it's okay. Look. Hindi ka sanay dumaan sa putikan, sanay kayo sa semento.
Happy dapat. Look at your face. Happy kasi. Happy. Oh, happy nga kasi. Sino yan? Sino yan?
Pakita mo kayo dito.
Happy.
Pakita mo kayo dito.
Show mo kayo.
Happy, happy. Para saan?
Ano dahil sad?
Ito?
So, how about mad? How about scared? How about...
Oh, what's that?
Oh no! It's an ant.
It's walking.
I'll go. 1, 2, 3. I'll make a pam 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 pam. Ano?
Susie said, yes. So cute to be a baby. Nothing's this first.
Ano yan? What's that? What's that? Is that for baby? Tingin? Is that for baby? Hindi, vitamin C to eh. Later po. Hindi ko pa na... Itanong mo na kita, Daddy, can I eat this? Go ask me. Read.
Oh.
Dadalhin mo yung pangkok mo.
Calvin.
Oh, ang galing! Ito ba yung isa pa ba?
Ito.
Be. You.
Ito pa. Next.
Kaiba.
Read.
Calvin.
Ay, ang galing!
Ayos, paano naman ako magiging ayos kung ikaw ay nakandyan? Ha? Paano naman ako makakapag-ayos kung ikaw ay andyan? Anong ipapadala ko pa?
Nakagaling, baby. Where did you go?
Sisi kakuin. I know. Wash your hands. I want to wash my hands. Wait, the turn.
Let's go to church. Dadalhin to? Doon na lang i-park dun sa ano. Tanto ko. Matagtawa ng cambio.
Alam niya nga, tinutong niya muna yung isa, tapos tinutong niya yung kabila, tapos gagaling niya.
Brum ka, brum. Ayun. Ano, spinning? Ano,
the world is spinning.
spinning? Nakamatanda ka. Hi.
What's that?
Say you okay. You okay? Here I come. Mahuli ka wala akong papers.
Makati kuling, Makati.
I love you, Nina.
Siyempre, happy birthday ka na, no?
Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina. Happy birthday, Nina.
Happy birthday, Nino. Love you.
I love you, Nina. I love you, Nina. It's not internet again.
What happened to Tito Mac?
Wala
Wala. Wala.
internet.
Oh no. Bakit siya walang internet?
What's that?
Why he has no internet?
What's that?
Si Sherry. Can you help me now, please? Hindi ka naman kukunin. Hindi ka kukunin.
Hide.
Hindi ka hide ka ba? Oh, hide. Go. Hide si Colleen. Hindi mo makikita. Oh, no more na. Oh, dali. Hide. Help mo na si Ninong magtupi. Can you help me? Thank you. What the other one? Oh, put it in. Thank you. What's that?
The panty.
Wow, galing. Try niyo yung panty.
Nino.
Oh, put it in there. Thank you. What's that?
Panty.
How about that?
Short.
Okay, put it in. Okay.
Panty.
Put it in.
Dami panty.
Yeah. How about that?
Dress.
Put it in.
Spider dun.
May spider din. Oh.
The black spider.
Yeah, black spider. It's a big black spider.
It's a brown spider.
Yes. Finish na.
It's very small.
Yan. Paano mag-walk ang spider? Oh no. Itsy bitsy. Oh, louder. Sing ka louder.
And the buster and the day, and the night, and Chitty in the coat, and the day, and up and the boat.
Galing. Galing naman mag-sing ka. Ano ba? Itsy bitsy spider?
It's a bitty boat.
O paano?
It's a bitty boat, boots, at the batty boat. Is that right?
It's wrong. O paano yung wrong? Paano yung wrong na sing? Go.
It's a bitty beach,
Ichubutchabuchi, buchubutcharu.
and the
Chicharucharuray.
and the fox.
Wow! It's a fox. Paano?
Wiping.
Sabi mo, fox.
Wiping.
Paano?
Oh, man.
Paano? Show mo sa kaninang paano yan? Show mo kaninang paano? Show mo. Tapos? Paano yung fox? Sabi mo, fox. Paano?
Fox.
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 Ay, maayos. Yung right. Ay, show mo kaninang yung hands.
Fox.
Ang galing.
It's a fox. It's a fox. 1, the 2, and the 3. Dami door.
How many door?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Dami.
Dami door.
What is your favorite food? Ha? Ano yun? What's that?
What's that?
How to eat kamini? Cherry. What is your favorite food? Bibili kita ng food. What is favorite food? Ano favorite food ni Colin?
I'm gonna do this.
Wow. What is your favorite juice?
In the new cutter.
Yeah. How about your favorite food? You like lemon juice?
Yeah.
Wow. What is your favorite animal?
The petaput.
What's that?
The petaput.
How about your favorite bird?
Petaput.
What is favorite bird?
The petaput.
Yes. How about, do you like alligator? Why? Why don't you like alligator? Because?
Cause
Why don't you like alligator?
at
Hmm?
the mom
The alligator is?
to man.
The alligator is?
Mad.
Mad. Why? Because of Colleen. What's that? What is this? It's a?
Road.
It's a road. O, paano mag-walk sa road? You're going to?
Antonino.
Wow, galing naman nag-walk sa road. Tapos, finish line. Sing ka nga, sing.
That.
I'll go sing. With music instrument.
You know. What's that?
It's a bottle. It's a tumbler. It's Aquaflask. Can you say Aquaflask?
That.
That's a pocket. It's a wallet. Don't open. Meron diyang spider. You want to see the spider? Okay. How about this? What's this?
A balloon.
Wow. What is that air balloon? Is that a land transportation? Oh, are you sure? Ay.
The kilay. The kilay Nino.
Oh. Can you do that? What's that? What are you doing?
What's that?
Your ear.
What's
Can
that?
you point?
What's that?
It's an earring.
What's that?
It's another earring. I will point your face. What? Tell Nino what is that, ha? How about this?
News. Milk.
This one.
Lips.
Open your mouth. Not this. What's that? What's that? What's that? Tell Ninong. Oh, what's that? What's that? It's a bunny. What's that? What is this? What is this? Smell. How about this one? What's this?
I just
How about this?
hair.
Ito?
Headband.
Huh? Hindi. Ito. This one, look at the camera. Ito.
Forehead.
Ito.
Eyebrow.
Ito. What's this?
Forehead.
How about this?
Nose.
What this?
What the swimming pool?
Ano, nag-swimming ka? Paano yung swimming ni Colleen? Paano? Tell me a story.
Careful. Yes, sir.
Can you tell me a story? Can you tell me a story? Dali, tell me a story. You go to...
Mag-picture ka.
Paano? Smile. Picture kita. Smile ha. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Okay na. Dali. Huy. Mag-tell ka ng story kay Ninong. Nagpunta ka ba sa hospital? Tapos, Anong ginawa ng doktor? Ha? Anong sinabi ng doktor sa'yo? What did the doctor say to Colleen? Open your mouth. Ganun daw? Or wrong? Paano?
Heart hurts.
Ano? It's itchy.
Where's the foot? From the chin.
Punta sa chin. You want tickle? You want tickle? Tickle. Oh no! Tickle! Kailan ang graduation mo? When is your graduation? Ha? Kailan ang graduation mo? Uy! Kailan ang graduation? When is your
Scared me now.
When is your graduation? Huh! When is your graduation? Ay, listen. When is your graduation? Ha? Ha? Kailan ang iyong moving up? Kailan? When? When? What is the weather?
Dark.
What's the weather?
Rain.
Oh, galing. How about, is it morning or is it evening?
Evening.
Oh, galing. Why is it evening? Because?
Tika, tika, tika.
Gusto mo?
Na.
Oh, sige.
Sige.
Sige. Paano sabi nino?
Sige.
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 Dali. Tell.
What's that?
Is this one muscle?
That.
This one? This one? Kili-kili.
That.
This one? Elbow.
That.
Where's your elbow? Where's your chest? Where's your tummy? Where's your heart? Where's your neck? Where's your belly button?
Find.
Where's your dede? Where's your kilikili? Ay, yun di ba? Asim. Where's your... asim?
Smell.
Asim. Oh, asim. How about where's your feet? Where's your fingers? How many fingers do you have? Can you count your fingers? Ganito, 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
hanggang 20. 11. Dali.
Dami kay Ninong.
What?
Dami kay Ninong.
Nasaan? Where? How about...
Sa pencil.
Oh, wag bili ko. Kininong yan na pencil. Nahanap ka niya, ma'am. Sabi, where's kaya si Kulin?
What's that?
Awan. Oh, you don't get that.
That. That.
Not true.
That.
I don't know.
That.
That's a candle.
Kanyo yan.
Akin. Ano yung tawagan?
Ayan, tagilim. Bati ba pulo? Ana, pagilim. Bati pula pulo.
Again. Again. Pickle mo si Ninang. Pickle mo si Ninang. Pickle. Pickle, dali. Ikaw ititigil ko. You want tickle? You want? O, ako na lang. Tikal mo si Ninong, dali.
This is
Say mo, tikal.
the
Can you say tikal? Dito. Ganun. Show your tongue. Dito sa gilid. Show your tongue. Ganun. Show your tongue.
And
Show your tongue.
Ah. Laway.
Anong asma kay Ninong? Anong asma kay Ninong? Kala ko sabi mo, what's your problem?
your problem.
Hmm?
What's your problem?
What's my problem? My problem is you.
Cause you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home.
Glitter and a blue and a blue.
Halika ka dun sa Oh, puro ganyan. Talaga sa'yo. Oh, kanti lang ha, ganun lang ha. Oh. Huwag masyadong ang liig. Wait lang. Wait lang. Wala.
What kind? Something sweet. Almost kind.
Nasing kami. Go sing. And something sweet.
It's almost kind. Wait lang.
How about How about yung... Bakit na nung isa kinakanta niya?
What are them? And the blue.
Go.
Little baby. I'm turning inside that room. Ooh. It's the cover. It's the mirror. And the blue door. It's my body and the blue door.
Look at your nose. You look You look like Look like
Gorilla. Ala, you
Look like a pig.
gorilla.
You look like a pig, oh.
Telling all the
Are you a pig?
birds.
Oh no, kuya na sa pig. How about Ninong? No, look like a pig. Pixie ko din. Ba't you take a bath? Saan ka pupunta? Where are you going? I'm going to? I'm going to?
And then two.
Quezon? SM? SMR? Walter? Ruby-chan?
Hi! Very thirsty. Very thirsty. Monday.
Oh, again. Oh, turo mo teach mo sila. Oh, read. Can you read this? Oh, again. Monday.
Tuesday. Wednesday.
Thursday. Anong sunod ng Thursday? What's next? Friday. Dali na, oh. Ay. I will get mad.
Thursday.
This is a Anong meron sa calendar? Ruby-chan?
Kagat.
Kagat lang.
Kagat lang. Kagat! Kagat. Ay, ganda!
Watch na, watch. My God, ay. Swimming. Wow, asan si Wawa?
Jason, yung si Corina.
Bakit
Nag-iyak.
Sino nag-iyak?
Yung anak ko ng piskato.
Paano iyak ni Colinay? Bakit ka nag-cry na nag-alis si Wawa? Why? Why did you cry? Kasi because iniwan ka ni Wawa.
Opo.
Saan kayo nag-eat ni Wawa? Saan kayo nag-eat?
Sa farm ni Bobo.
Sa farm ni Wawa. Anong init ni Colin? Anong init ni Colin? What are you going to tell to Ninong? Why did you bring me here? Bakit mo pinapunta si Ninong dito? Because?
Dito.
Papasok ako dyan?
Po.
Pasok? Papasok ako?
Yes.
Di ba na ako kasya? Ang nagkasya.
Nakaso.
Hindi na kasya. It's okay na here? Or I will go inside pa. Siya tayo. Okay ka.
Hi! Hi! Hot dude! Hi! Hi! Hi, Dada!
Lagyan natin siya dito. Alisan natin. Huwag mong i-remove.
Like this side.
Picture? Yun mo yung picture. Gusto mong play? Ang init naman dito eh. Walang aircon. Wala aircon dito.
Ayun kay Colin.
Wala dito. Wala man aircon dito sa inyong house.
This one, the aircon.
Ay dito sa inside wala.
This one, the aircon.
Ay dito sa inside wala.
Wala dito.
Dito lang, dyan lang sa outside. Dito sa inside wala. Paano yun? Paano gagawin natin? Paano yan? Paano yan? That po. Ano po yan? Bibigay mo sa akin? Give mo sa akin? Thank you. Saan ka galing? Saan ka galing? Sa? Kakagaling?
Sip.
Saan yun? Sa sip-sip? Tama, may papakita ko sa ano. Nagtingin siya kay Colin!
Quickly.
Para nakasakay sa... Ba't nagka-cry?
Nagwala ng ID ni Mami.
Ay, saan na mo nilagay ang ID ni Mami? Hindi mo alam, you forgot.
Yes.
Ay, napalo ka, na-face the wall ka. Ha, na-face the wall ka or napalo?
Napalo.
Saan ka pinalo?
Di ko inisip na mawawala ka pa. Akala ko'y pangabang buhay na gabi.
T. T says. A. T. At. At. No, again. A. T. At. At.
Ba? Wala ka ng helmet?
You have the helmet. Ayan. May helmet ka ba?
Dito.
Helmet mo yan? Pwede ba yan? Pwede yan?
Why is everyone so in love with me? Could it be my lips or my energy? I could count them up, be like 1, 2, 3. Everybody is so in love with me.
Dimple check. Nasaan ang dimple ni Kulnasan? Tingin, ang ganda naman ng dimple. Aba, kay Ninang, oh. Wow, ang galing.
Di man ganda.
Paano ba yung maganda? Paano yung maganda? Kanta ka kasi
Di
ka.
maganda.
Sabi mo kumanta siya.
Paano yung gandang maganda?
Di maganda.
When
Yung kay tita, maganda yung kay tita? Maganda yung kay tita? Maganda yung kay tita?
Di maganda.
Yung kay tita maganda. I'm not singing, tita. Maganda yung kay tita? Tama nagising si tita.
never heard so good.
It's a present for? What's inside? Oh, cover your eyes.
Cover your eyes, count.
Cover your eyes.
Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
10, 10.
10, 11, 12.
Wow! Disappoint. What a disappoint?
It's so funny.
You don't like this?
Is it wrong? Is it wrong?
Ano, dali. Ala. Kita daw yung kilikili mo. Kumana.
Pati sa lawin nyo yun.
So familiar, baby, what do you call it? Stupid, or is it slow? Maybe it's useless, but there's a cuter word for it. I know. Why you always come running to me? Fuck my life. Won't you let innocent woman be? Never heard yourself kiss.
Ninong, sabi ni Kulay, kamukha mo daw yung yung nagkakalap na ako.
Alin?
Mga kina nagkakalap doon sa baba.
Ha, Colin, ano yon? What are you saying? I'm here.
Joe, ano? Ayaw mo na? Pagod ka na? Ayaw mo na?
Pagod na
Ano, Jo? Pagod ka na ba?
Pagod. Ako.
Ano, Jo? Pagod ka na ba?
Pagod ako.
Yung magandang dance.
Dali, dance pa para hindi na
Dance para hindi na hurt. Dali, dance. More. Pagod na 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 ako. Ay, gusto ko na may gano'n. Yung gano'n. Yung pagod na pagod. Dito ka marap kay mami. O, go. Gano'n. Pagod na pagod na pagod. Para hindi na mag-hurt. Wala na ako. Dali. Pagod na pagod na pagod na pagod. Yung may puwit. Diba mo? Malis gano'n. Pagod na pagod na pagod. Pagod na ako.
Cheers. Remove ang spoon. Cheers.
Smile.
What do you want to do?
Kulin na, kulin.
What do you want to do
This.
later? You want me to read this all to you?
Yes.
How many? Count.
1, 2, 3.
May customer ako dito, nagpapamassage ng back. Pang face naman. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Magalas one. Yan, ganyan lang.
Yung paano yung picture dun sa, kagaya ng picture dun sa ano?
Oh,
Sa ID.
Sa ID, oh.
Ay, ganyan ba yun? Hindi ah. Ah.
I'm sorry if I say I need you, but I don't care, I'm not scared of love. 'Cause when I'm not with you, I'm weaker. Is that so wrong?
Dito ka tumingin.
Ready? Hi vlog, I'm Ninong.
Hi. Hi vlog. I'm Colleen.
And today,
And today is dark.
what is the day today? It's what is the day today?
Hair.
Galing. What's the weather outside?
Hair.
What's the weather?
Hair.
What's the weather?
It's dark.
Weather. Oh, what's the weather today?
Dark.
How about kanina? Anong weather? Is it rainy?
Again. Hi, vlog. Okay.
Hi vlog, I'm Ninong.
Hi vlog. Hi vlog. Where's the vlog?
How old are you daw? How old are you?
I'm Colleen.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Vlog.
Vlog.
Sing. Sing.
Anong tawag mo sa akin?
Kuya.
Kiss mo si kuya.
This.
Kiss mo muna si kuya. What will you say to kuya?
Thank you.
Magbibihis pa ako. Ay, kita belly button, oh.
Peppa Bear. Apate.
Hey mo, you want to TikTok, Ninong? Kulin, ano yung inaas mo kay Ninong? Kulin? Kulin, ano yung inaas mo kay Ninong? You want to TikTok?
Yes.
Oh, ask mo si Ninong, ask mo ako.
Ninong, do you want TikTok? Sabi mo kay
Louder, come here.
TikTok?
Dito.
TikTok?
Dito ka dito, stand up here.
Yun? TikTok?
Yes, I want. Anong TikTok natin? Anong iti-TikTok natin? Ha? Anong TikTok natin? Ha? Anong TikTok natin? Where's Colleen? Colleen? Where's Colleen? Colleen? Mami.
Siguro yan.
Alin si Wawa? Where's Wawa?
Ito.
Si Wawa asan?
Dito.
Si Wawa. May bibigay ka ba?
Kasi yung kininang na ganyan, nasan?
Tawag mo akong kuya, di ba? Oh, ano yung bibigay mo?
Kanina ba to? Kanina to?
Where's my mind?
Kanina to? Kanina to?
Where's mine?
Kanina to? Ay, kanina to?
That's no mine.
Ay, kanina nga to? Kanina to?
O, give mo ko kanina yun.
Kanina, i-give mo ko kanina to. Give mo! Give mo ko kanina to, kanina yan. Sino pa bang hindi nag-eat niyan? Sino pa? Dirty yan. Sino kanina yan? Sino yan? Kanina yan.
Thank you. Give mo to sa akin. How about Colleen? My sir kay Colleen.
Yun? TikTok? So baby. No one's even Apate.
Anong tawag mo sa akin?
Kuya.
Thank you.
Yun? TikTok? So baby. No one's even Apate.
Anong tawag mo sa akin?
Kuya.
Thank you. Picture. Smile. Pose. Smile. Picture. Ganda, yung maganda, pretty. Oh, smile. Show your teeth. Yan. Oh, model. Picture.
Ow.
Model. Pose. Eh, ganyan ba ang pose? Tingnan mo yung hair mo. Mukha kung ano, Carabao.
And then the water, and the carabao, the boo-boo, and the bum-bum, and one.
Where kaya si Colleen? Nag-hide kaya si Colleen? I see you.
My Barbie girls and my Barbie world. Fantastic. Fantastic. Your kisses and this beware. Imagination. Goodbye, let's goodbye.
Wow, wow,
Barbie, let's goodbye.
wow,
Ow. And my Barbie girls and my Barbie si Colleen nan.
Show mo kay Wawa.
Tomato.
Ah, yung potato. Tingnan ko yung story ni teacher. Ano story ni teacher? What happened to the story? What happened to the mommy and niya? Ano?
Bed now.
She's dead now. Oh no. Why?
Bawa mo siya.
Wawa siya. Bakit? Bakit? Bakit wawa siya? Kasi
Kaya walang ito.
walang mami siya. Eh, saan nagpunta mami niya?
Just alone.
Hmm.
Sabi niya, alone.
Alone siya. Tapos,
Tapos, na-cry siya.
saan yung daddy niya?
Sa work din.
Nasa work din. Hindi alone lang siya.
Yes.
Oh. Sinong ka-play niya? Wala siyang ka-play?
Yes.
Oh.
Na-cry siya.
Nag-cry siya.
Then, she's happy.
Why she's happy? Because?
Because the friends are happy.
Oh, galing. O, paano yung happy? O, dyan. Happy. Ang galing naman.
It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Stupid, or is it slow? Maybe it's useless, but there's a cuter word for it. I know.
Can you tell me a story about that doll? About that Barbie doll? O, tell me a story. Saan siya pupunta?
The school.
O, tapos, paano siya mag-walk sa school? O, tapos anong i-story ni teacher?
The school would what? To 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 what? What? To what?
Anong name ng doll mo?
Barbie girl.
Ganda naman. Sinong may gawa niyan? Sino may gawa?
What? This is Slender.
Ay, ang pangit, ang pangit. Ayos, ayos. Maganda.
This is Slender, baby.
Kaya mo, listen up. Dali. Oh, yung magandang yung magandang listen up. Ang pangit. Bakit ako mag-open? Yun, lagod ka kay dad.
Milk na.
Tingnan mo ang kalokohan, oh.
It's all just so familiar, baby. What do you call it? Stupid, or is it slow? Maybe it's useless, but there's a cuter word for it. I know.
Slidey.
Slidey. Thank you, Mami.
Isa ka na. Slay naman yung tambaks ko, natapuan na ng ulam, lumila ko sa ano. Tapos inaamag. Alone?
Oh, tatawa.
Go. I'll catch you. I'll catch you.
Marunong yan. Saka nakakapit kasi yan.
Go. Ah!
Saka kumakapit kasi siya, kaya ano. Mausisa mo, Mami, help me. I'm going now.
Padapa naman, padapa. Ganyan.
Oh, nang bata.
Baka mag-slide ka magkaganyan. Your head, your head. Your head, mauntog ka.
Ayan! May, ganon, ganon.
Ah, I will eat you. Ah, go, dali. No, ma, no, eat. I will eat you. Ah!
Ala, natanggal yung ano niya. Hindi yan isusuot sa loob. Mapag napil niyan.
Dun nga kami.
Go down, Colleen!
Go down na. Huwag dyan. Yung feet. Tasya mo yung feet.
You're a superhero! Wow! You're a superhero! Nahulog!
Mabagsakan tayo itong mga kakawal.
Tara na! Smile! Tulog kami kaya ni Kulisay. Oh, may tatlong message si tatay.
Parang kapag
Smile. Picture. Kita Pepe. Kita Bambam. Kita Bambam mo. Smile. Pose. Model.
I want to picture cheers. Say, I want to fish and I love. Say,
We're going up, 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 it's our moment. You know together we're going. Gonna be golden. Oh, up, up, up with our voices. Gonna get us so often. Gonna be golden. Oh, we found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
Ano? Sabi mo, ano?
kita panty mo.
Hindi, bibihis ako. Sino yan?
Open.
Sino to? Sino to?
Sino?
Tita?
Kita?
MG?
Angie.
Ito? Tita? Carla?
Kuya.
Mag-walk. Walk inside. Just find Franklin.
Let's find Frosty.
Okay, don't touch baby.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
Bako, sir, paupuin mo yan. Halika. Pagulin mo na lang. Halika, baby ka. Dito kay mami, si mami hindi ka. Dito kay mami, dito ka. Kanina gusto mo, papaplay. Anya, say hi ka na lang sa parat.
Mag-hi ka na lang sa kanya. Sabi mo.
Red. Oh,
Hi, Red. Red?
Sabi niya.
Mag-hi ka kay Red. Oh, sabi niya, happy birthday daw. Oh. Happy birthday, Colleen. Happy birthday, Colleen. Happy birthday.
Ikaw na to. Magpawakan mo.
Ang laki mo to.
Asan ka?
Yung daddy, takot din sa may... Okay na. Yung daddy, takot din sa may balahibo. Tinano pa. Ayan! Diba? Louder.
I'm gonna go then. Oh no. Shining night gun for me. Gum go then gun.
Yun.
Anya, nakaligo ka na. Baka mga tika.
Pas. Atikia. Atika. Atiku. Atika. Atiku. Atika. Atiku.
yan? Ano yan?
Monday.
Tapos? Ayan.
Cake time!
O, saan to? Pang? Anong day to? Sabi mo kayo na ano to? Friday.
Friday.
Ito.
Tuesday.
Ito.
Wednesday.
Ito.
Friday. Friday, alright.